I was hoping he was gonna take the fucking race bait, but he didn't. Like normal. BMWs are always so 50-50. Anyway, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Squid here. I've got the almost raced adrenaline pump going on right now, so if I act weird, I apologize ahead of time. And no cops today. I went on a good run on Saturday. I ran with the guys I was riding with for like 9 hours. I want to say it was 9 hours. It's called the Prick Run. And I guess it's a little bit of a story time now, unless something cool happens while I'm riding. But I did not bring my GoPro with, because it wasn't really anything that I wanted to record. Like I said, I was there for 9 hours. I was just there to have fun. And not only was it 9 hours, it was a bar run. So like, I didn't want to incriminate myself too much, you know. Not that I was drunk and riding, but some people get iffy when you get into the beer and just hop on a fucking motorcycle, you know. Even though, you know, beer and motorcycles go hand in hand, kind of like AKs being the bad guy thing and the M16s being the good guy thing, even though that's a stereotype from video games, but you know what I mean by that. But yeah, it was fun. There was a couple of interesting times. It was supposed to be a group of like 6 or 7 that turned into a group of 30 because everybody knew each other and showed up. It was mainly the Muskegon motorcycle gang that was there. I hang out with a couple of them, that's why I got invited. There was a 100-mile-per-hour club too. They all showed up on FJs and F1s, the Interceptors, you know, fast-ass sport bikes. And I'll tell you what, in the big-ass pack going to the second bar, there was a couple times where I looked down and I was going 104, 103, keeping up with the group. Because I didn't want to get left behind, because I didn't know where the fuck we were going, you know? And I was still in a pack of 30, by the way. Old girl did not like that too much, but, you know, I was still sending it anyway. I actually had her in the red a couple times on the RPMs, so I now know that I can go really high on the gauge before it bogs down. And it never bogged down. And I was at, like, here, which was like 55, 6,000. And it's like, what? Hold on. It's supposed to bog down and, you know, do a limiter shit at that point, but it never did. So, you know, it's neither here nor there. Just more stuff to think about when I put the bike in storage, as far as getting it maybe retuned. Like, hey, can I get a limiter? There was another time, so a little subsection of us that weren't like wanting to go to every single bar. We still went to the bars. It's just we took our own routes there because they were more interesting, not just straightaways. And I took a corner a little bit too hot. I'm not going to say how fast I was going beforehand, but it was a 25-mile-per-hour corner. The first 3 or 4 bikes hit it. They were fine. I get to it, and I had downshifted twice, and I was holding the brakes hard. Then I hit a 25-mile-per-hour corner, probably going 60, give or take. And I leaned hard as shit. I was like off my seat. My peg was going at a 45-degree angle. I was kind of shitting myself a little bit. And then I made it through. Obviously, the bike's still upright and not damaged. I'm alive. I made it. It was a fun time. I think so. The next spot, and the guy on the bike behind me was like, "Dude, did you feel the scrape? Because everything under your bike was nothing but fucking sparks. I think it was on fire for a second because I was scraping the shit out of my pegs." Which is always cool to scrape pegs. Just it's a lot more fun when it's a little bit more controlled and you're not like shitting yourself in the process, but you know, neither here nor there on that. But anyway, I'm gonna maybe hang out with them a bit more. They're fun people. There was not a whole lot else that happened on that ride. There were some sketchy moments where we'd like pass cars, probably going a bit too close to them. Nothing like over serious. Totally didn't like have the first few guys in the group almost run a truck off the road trying to avoid a car because they were passing them at a $110. But you know, that's their problem, not mine. I was the safe one going 103, just waiting for the cars to clear. So, even though, you know, going a $103 isn't really like that safe sounding, it was pretty interesting. I was in control of the bike still. The wind sucked ass though. But yeah, that was Brick Run in a nutshell. A lot of dirty jokes told, a lot of probably very offensive, insensitive jokes that would get me banned from YouTube if I repeated them. I'm not gonna repeat those. You know, if you want to know what they are, hit me up in the DMs, I guess, if I feel like saying them again, if I even remember them at that point. And yeah, now back onto the rest of the fucking video, right? Now the story time's over. Hot damn, that Audi's fucking getting it. He was fucking hard in that corner, dog. I thought he was sliding through it for a second. Like, I actually considered backing off the throttle. That way I didn't get, like, nailed as he went over the fucking median. Which I'd rather not get hit by a car fucking launching over the median. So, like I said, I was getting ready to hit them brakes because holy shit, he was coming in hot. Man, some of these fucking white girls crack me up when they get on their fucking car club bullshit. They're like, oh my god, JDM, it's a fucking Volkswagen, that's German. What are you doing? Oh my god, my voice just cracked. Holy shit. Holy fuck. You can tell I've been yelling a lot. It's gonna sound dumb as shit because it was fucking dumb as shit. But like, one, there's cops right there. Hi guys. But like, for one, I think they're in the Burger and Wing stop. But for one, like, this girl pulled up in a 350Z. It was clapped. Both the front fenders were like busted as shit in the wrong color. Not a drift build, just a beat to living shit build, you know, like. Here's this car I can find for $500 that has Z in it, and it's half-ass JDM, and every single guy at that meet was ready to fucking simp for a woman that was in a piece of shit car, and it's like, guys, she ain't even hot, leave it alone. Like, yeah, I love including more people into the car scene, but goddamn, roll your tongues back up, Jerry, holy shit. Yeah, covered in fucking figurines, that is interesting. Got a bike coming up hard on my left. I don't think it's anybody I'm gonna know. No, nobody I know. The more like, oh, squeaky brakes, holy shit. Fuck, I get to have this awkward sit next to him. Yeah. Yep, got you. Yeah, I got you, yeah. Hell yeah. That was a cool guy. I like him, he's nice. See if I can copy him. Let's bump over the speed bump here. Whoop, whoop. Is the camera even recording still? Oh, I never ran into people in the wild, and I just did. That was fucking cool. He subscribed to me too. That was fucking awesome. Oh, I was recording. Hell yeah, dude. He doesn't want his face in the camera though, so I'll respect that. That was cool though, I'm not gonna lie, that was probably the best encounter I've ever had in the wild. I don't really talk to people when I'm on the bike with the camera on. He wanted to talk about the camera, that was fucking cool. Hell yeah. What the fuck, are they drunk? So anyway, this has been Squatch. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. I know I said hi, I'm Squid, but hey, you know, it's whatever, man. I still go by both. It's hard to say them, but I gotta get it like written down the side of my helmet so that way people can be like, oh, that's what it is. When they see me with a camera riding around so they can look for themselves in my videos. Hope you'll hit the like button, subscribe button, put on bell notification too if you're feeling spunky. Until then, hope y'all have a good one. Ride safe. Shiny side up, sticky side down. Unless you're doing wheelies, and do fucking wheelies.